Now, Junior, you take it.
Hey, Alice.
She should run the customized Liberty
It's a
Mutual
thing.
Let's play.
Maybe there's a
Okay,
thing.
but you could save hundreds on car
That's a
insurance.
house.
Also not a play.
Look, go in.
Only pay?
Let's see. Wow. That's weird.
Alright guys, so today we are back in school.
Hey, it's Travis,
Look,
please.
this is
Don't leave.
this is my teacher, and we
Hey,
have to
Travis.
prank her
Let's
so
go.
much that she will literally quit. This should be fun.
Where are my hands? Where's the stairs?
Notes taken.
No.
Cough is 5 points.
No.
Let's just cough.
Déjame ahorita lo que te mandé el mensaje,
Let's do a sneeze.
Oh, baby.
Jesus! You can't be so big, that's fine. I don't think that's gonna make a teacher that bad at screams. Oh my
Oh,
god.
I'm linking your name on my video. He thinks I am. Okay, I'm gonna go say it, but I won't have you know. He can say no, I'm actually Hey guys, oh gosh. Hey, wanna know something? Get pranked, I didn't actually say it. No, I'm gonna actually go say it. It's okay, honey. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. Okay, now that I got a coat, not jumping on me like she normally does. No, I don't want. He jumps on me. And it hurts. So don't be acting like that. I'm gonna leave my secret.
Mira, tu hermanito me sacó al perro. Voy a llevarlo
So
a
guys, I need to tell you something. This whole time. I will record on a different video. Bye.